So,
should I give her a couple bumps?
yeah, check. Still pressurized, good.
Yep, it's pressurized.
Lever's up, you're holding the jug. I've got my flap and you've got ready for lever.
Yep, don't forget to glow plug it.
Yeah, we gotta go plug it.
Is it glow plugging?
Yes.
Okay. I haven't seen any oil up at the tappets yet, so.
That'll take a while. Okay. Here in a little bit. Be
I
ready.
don't hear it hissing anymore.
Well, this is probably closed. Okay, I'm ready to go. You?
Yep, so you want me to pull this or you?
I'll get the start. You get the kill.
The kill?
Yeah, if it goes nuts.
Okay. Ready?
So good so far.
Plug. It claims a minute, so I don't know. Let's do another.
Just that old of it.
30 seconds.
Well, I already did that, so.
Okay.
Ready?
Yep.
You still got the hose in there?
Yep.
Go. Come on, baby. I bet it's my fuel substance. Round whatever the heck this one is.
5.
My foot is underneath the arm. It crushed my lip with my shoe. That's loud.
It's a loud mother.
Yeah, when it was just barely chugging, I checked
Let's
the
go
throttle.
3 back.
I checked the throttle, make sure it wouldn't run away.
All right, you're in stop.